Today we're taking a look at the Bugani M83 Plus wireless speaker. What they have to say for themselves: 80 watts, two 1.5-inch tweeters, two 4-inch woofers, and SD card slot, wireless stereo connection. I mean, you can hook up two of these together for a total of 160 watts. It says it's surprisingly loud with deep bass. Also, what I love to see is a USB-C port to eliminate any other cables, but just that one for all your devices. A 7.2 volt, 5,000 milliamp hour battery lasting up to 24 hours. Now let's get it out the box and see what we're working with. Before we take a closer look at the Bluetooth speaker, I want to mention what comes in the box. You get a USB-C to USB-A charge cable and a stereo auxiliary cable. Now to the meat and potatoes. I have used this Bluetooth speaker extensively in different scenarios, indoor and outdoor, and this Bluetooth speaker has performed extremely well. Also, let me mention other features that wasn't mentioned earlier. This Bluetooth speaker can be used as a battery bank to charge your phone, and IP6 waterproof rating. Handling this boombox, that's why I'm going to call it, because it's pretty much a Bluetooth boombox. It feels really solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart, and it weighs approximately 8 to 9 pounds. On the front of the speaker, we have, like I mentioned earlier, 4-inch subwoofers and 1.5-inch tweeters, which give it a nice sound. At the top, we have the handle, sturdy handle, not gonna come off. And here on the side, we have power, play and pause, volume up, volume down, hold to advance track, hold to go back to the previous track, and this is for modes indoor and outdoor. What I noticed, it changed an amount of bass. Then you press it again, it reverses that, lower the bass, and you have a higher mid-tones and high tones. And this button here is to pair two of these together. Now looking at the rear, sorry, I don't have nails. I would need to use something to open this. Here you have a micro SD card slot, a USB-A port for charging other devices like your phone. Here you have a stereo auxiliary in. Here you have a USB charging port and a reset if you need that. And it had this nice rubber grommet to fit in place to keep the water out. Here's two base radiators. And it does have some pads on the bottom, but be aware, very heavy bass songs, this box will move around, so you want to be careful with that. I enjoyed the speaker a lot. I also have the little brother, which I paid for with my own money, and I enjoyed that very well. So when I got the opportunity to review this unit, I jumped on it, and I was not disappointed. It's almost twice the size and pretty much twice the wattage, because the smaller brother I have is 40 watt, and this is the bigger brother, the M83 Plus, which is 80 watts. Sum it up, good construction, good sound, excellent features, and pretty much a good bang for your buck. You cannot go wrong with this Bluetooth speaker. I have used it at work, listening to music helped me get through my day. It performed excellent. Also, when I'm around the house doing some yard work or inside the house cleaning up, with this playing, I just put my head down and go to work. Also, I will leave a link to this in the description so you can pick up yours and have the enjoyment listening to your music with beautiful sound and bass like I have. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.